Hey guys, it's Rachel. What's going on? I'm back with another video. Today I'm doing this halo purple eye. Figure it's like great for spring. Get us out of the slump that the Northeast just had with this nor'easter. So if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. So I have my eyebrows done and I primed my eyes. So first palette, I'm going to be jumping like back and forth, so I'm just going to leave everything down below. But just to get like a transition going, I am going to take the Nars Wanted palette, Narsissist Wanted palette, and just kind of mix these two shades here very lightly with the darker one. It's going in with all those purples. And just creating a slight transition. Now I'm going to go into Modern Renaissance palette and I'm going to take the shade Bon Fresco, I think it is. It's like a light purple. And go in with a fluffy brush and put that all in my crease. I really need to get another Modern Renaissance palette. I want the Soft Glam palette that came out so bad. I'm waiting until it comes out in Ulta so I can use some of my points. Get some extra money off. Now that that's under, I am going to use a little bit of a darker shade that we just used, and I'm going to take a different brush, one that is a little bit more pointed. This is the Wet n Wild 344B palette, and I'm going to take this one, and it's going to go in my crease, but I'm also going to start putting it on the outer and inner corners as well. Then to deepen the outer and inner corners more, I'm going to go in with this dark purple from this Hard Candy Matte Eyeshadow Pro palette. Right here, this dark purple. I'm going to mix it a little bit of black with it, like the tiniest little. Darkening up a little bit more by adding a hint more of black. This black in this palette isn't very pigmented, which in my case will actually work because I want the purples obviously to show through. Now I'm going to go back in the Modern Renaissance palette and use a hint of Love Letter. There. Use a hint of Love Letter. But also mixing in the black as well because it's not getting as dark as I want it. There we go. Now I'm going to go in with the Stila Shimmer and Glow in the shade Cloud. Can't really see it, but it's a beautiful, like purpley shimmer. I'm going to take it on the back of my hand and actually apply it with a brush. Then I'm going to go back in with Love Letter and mix a little bit of black. And get in. Actually, I'm going to add the Love Letter, the darkest purple, and a little bit of black. Get those outer and inners. and help blend everything together. And that's what we got going on. I don't like how it's not getting darker, so I need to try a different brush. Finally. That's what I've been wanting. There we go. Had to wind up using the brown from this Nars palette because that black wasn't doing anything. There we go. See? Even I sometimes have problems. We all do. We are not doing a wing today. We are just going to put lashes on. Alright, this is what the eyes look like. I'm going to zoom you out and we can finish the rest of the face. Alright, for primer, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It's a moisturizer and primer in one, and it's really been saving my skin during the winter. I feel like going for like a lighter, like sheer to medium coverage today. So I'm going to take the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and mine is in the shade 5 Natural. It's probably going to stain my pants. Ooh, that's great. Luckily there's my sweatpants, but still. Yeah. Concealer, gonna use a soft matte concealer from Nars. Not as much as I normally would. Then I'm going to set the entire face with Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finishing Powder. Going in with the Stila Stay All Day Matte Bronzer. Blush, I'm going to go in with Wild Honey from Becca. Finish off the rest of my eyes. Gonna go in with that Wet n Wild. Actually, go in with that first shade we used from the Anastasia palette. I'm going in with the darker purple shade, putting that on the outer and inner. Then, to finish off, taking that again very small dab on the back of my hand. And put this right in the middle. And put mascara on the bottom lashes. Cute face, I know. And for highlight, I want something that's a pinky or purple tone, so hold on. So the highlighter I'm going to go with is Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. Do a little swatchy swatch. Because it's got that like pinkish hue. You can't really see it, sorry. But that's the highlight I'm going to use. But get that highlight in the inner corner, so just going to take a small brush. Last is lips. Gonna go in with Rimmel Addiction. This has been my go-to lip liner, and you're gonna see the liquid lipstick in a second. And for liquid lipstick, Dose of Colors in Truffle. And this completes the finished look. Hope you guys liked it. Nice halo eye. If there's anything you want me to do, let me know in the comments below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. And there's a notification bell if you are subscribed and you want to know when I upload every time. That bell lets you know every time I have a new video up. Okay, see you next time. Bye.